This is such a sad moment, but my Miffy lamp, the light completely broke. I initially got Miffy back in Korea. I got it secondhand, so of course it's not new. The LED light and the wire, there's no connection anymore, so it doesn't light up. Oh, super sad. But I got a light bulb stand like this, almost the same dimensions as the initial light bulb, and I'm just gonna put my light here and then stuff it up Miffy. Now Miffy can change colors, and then she's also a smart Miffy too, because this can connect to my Google. I think this is a big brain move. Hey Google, turn Miffy red.
Got it. Changing Miffy to red.
Hey Google, turn Miffy blue.
Okay, changing Miffy to blue.
Is that not the most innovative idea? I'm so happy with this. My new pan! Oh my gosh, you know you're getting older and growing up when you start getting overly excited over a pan. But let me tell you, what's so special about this pan is that it's stainless steel. I've been using this random one, like a $10 pan, and it's so small. It's like the size of my face. I was on this like rabbit hole on TikTok of, oh, you should have been cooking with XYZ because it like releases toxins. So I ended up getting this pan for half the price that it normally is, and it's toxin free because it's, so that's good. The only caveat is that it's a little difficult to cook with it, but that just takes practice. It's so pretty. Is that you're supposed to heat the pan up for like 5 minutes, and then honestly it should be good to go. I want to make an omelet. What I call girl breakfast. Let's try it. Yo, girl breakfast. I always love the lighting this time of day. I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup. Oh my gosh, this weekend is gonna be like a packed weekend, full of friends. Hello?
Bro, where you at?
I'm at home. Where are you?
Oh my, see, oh, everybody has a camera.
Today's exciting because I'm meeting up with a few creator friends, literally for the first time. I have never met any creators. I've messaged people online before, but no one ever responds to my DMs. It sounds really lame, but that's just how it is. Someone actually invited me out, and I feel like that's kind of difficult for me. That's why I cherish friendship so much, is because that I don't get invited out very often. So once I do, like, I'm loyal to you for life, dude. So I'm just really happy that she invited me out and I'm like a part of it. Oh wow, my butterfly looks really pretty. Fit check. This is my go-to black dress. Sandy Lane bag is also one of my favorites. It's xoxo. Love it. Let's go meet the girls. I haven't explored New York in a hot minute. Super cute. Is it like a GoPro? It's like fisheye. It's fisheye. Wait. And it's so cool too. Good morning. I guess like a quick recap of yesterday. God, what is this? Janice, she was the one that hosted everything together. You guys should check her out. And then she also paid for everyone's dinner, which I was like, you do not need to be that generous. Like, I just met you. So I'm hoping she travels quite a bit, so hopefully I get to have some one-on-one time with her, and she's the same age as me, so looking forward to that. Slay! I have the whole gym to myself, so I don't have to be self-conscious. Now it's time for some mat Pilates. At my personal Pilates, I usually do these for it's like just random or mat Pilates workouts that my teacher wants me to do, so I'm gonna do that right now. My fairy wings came. I'm gonna be using some like jewels for makeup. It's gonna be a little bold because I'm not very good at makeup, so maybe the jewels can distract the people. And I got these like massive power boots to go with the fit. It looks weird from the back, right? Okay, we're just gonna be basic and go as a little cat. Hey Google, play BTS. Okay, time to do eyeliner. My favorite part. Whoa. Look at her makeup. Oh my god, I love yours so much. It matches the blues so well.
What's that? Oh, was this a video?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I was like,
Isn't that cute?
This is so cool.
Right? I'm okay, we'll take photos, but we should take a selfie later. I love it. Look at her. Look at you.
Bling, bling, bling.
Tonight I feel so cold by looking at you, and it's 29:4. I hear your voice by ears, and I still can't believe I did see you in far away place. You write your words and pour it to me in my weak self. Your papers filled with the kiss. So you let me know the age of 4 you
Oh, this is such a beautiful scene.
you'll stick with them.
Oh, beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. Wait, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? What's going on? What? 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 Where's my promo? Next.
See